Hi guys, I am back to show you how I remove my nails when I use the Jello peel base. So if you saw my last video, it was of this set, and I've lost one just about an hour and a half ago, but I applied that with the Jello peel base. So I prepped my nails, I applied the Jello peel base, and then I applied a layer of the Opera Extend Gel cured, and then I applied these nail tips with the Extend Gel. So I've lost one already. I bumped my hand last night and I saw it lifted, and that's probably why I have this little white mark here, because I did jam my finger, and thank God I didn't lose the nail itself. But it just popped, it lifted up, and then as the day progressed, it just lifted right on up. So I do have some lifting. You can see here the nail is lifted at the cuticle area. It's lifted some around here. So I'm going to show you what I do to pop these off. And what I mean by pop, gently lift them off. I'm going to use the Jello 1 Kill Gel Remover. And I'm also going to use some cuticle oil. Just any cuticle oil will do. I just happen to have this Madam Glam Elixir cuticle oil here. So I'm going to apply, and I didn't apply the cuticle oil before, but I do believe the Jello works well with gel polish, like just plain old gel polish. It's harder to get off, in my opinion, when you have nail tips on. And so I'm just applying that around the cuticle area, being generous. And on the underside of my nails. Then, oh shoot, I done dropped it. Then I'm going to go in and slather cuticle oil on the nails. So I'm just going to apply cuticle oil right behind that, because I think that's what's in there anyway. It's yellow, so I'm assuming that's some type of cuticle oil. And if you get the set from Sweetie Nail Supply, it does come with some cuticle sticks, so you are going to need those. Now, typically, you need to wait a few minutes. When I say a few minutes, roughly 5 minutes. So I'm going to see how far I can get just by applying it, and it's only been a few seconds. And again, I already had some lifting, and you can see I can get that cuticle stick under there just that fast. Let's say I think the cuticle oil is what really helps it to come off a little bit better. And I'm not trying to force it off. I'm just gently removing this. And you can see it's lifting up just fine. I am going to apply a little bit more cuticle oil, not the remover, just some more cuticle oil. And boom, it's off just that easy. That's what I think it's the cuticle oil for me. Because before, I had the hardest time getting my nails off when I used the Jello. And when I started adding cuticle oil, the removal process was significantly easier. Like, it's lifting, but I'm meeting a little bit of resistance. So I'm just going to apply more cuticle oil. Cuticle oil is cheaper than the remover. Yes, I would still use the remover. Yes. I'm just using it with cuticle oil. Okay. And so if you feel any pain, meet any resistance, just stop what you're doing and try it again. Apply more product and try it again. Now, this is getting hung up on the free edge of my nail. I'm gonna put a little bit of my, I can't even get my words together. A little bit more remover on this one, because it is kind of hung up. If I can get it. See, my bottle's almost empty too. See, that's another thing. My bottle is almost empty. Oh, shit. And I'm spilling it. Excuse me. I ain't got time to be spilling this. This is like precious gold. Yep. There we go. And it's right on off. Now, if I really wanted to save these and wear them again, I have to wash all this out. I ain't nobody got time for all that. And you can see in the nail itself is all of the product. Okay, now my nail look really clear here because of all the oil that I put on. Now this one may be a little tricky to get off. I don't think I had too much lifting on this nail or the thumbnail. Look at the color. That's stamping polish under there because I did stamp the whole nail. Now that thumbnail might prove to be a little tricky. It's Friday, y'all. May the 1st. And I work from home today. And I'm tired. Like I done drove to the office. And the Charlotte traffic is the worst. Like, I'm sure there's traffic. Like, I'm pretty certain Atlanta traffic is worse. Yeah, I'm 100% certain of that. But these high traffic area in the volume traffic areas, that's for the birds. And then we got the little toll lanes, and I've been trying to take that, but the toll lanes only go so far. It's just like, I don't want to go to the office today. That traffic alone will have you at work mad for no reason because of traffic. But anyway, see, I applied more Jello, and more oil, and that came right off. And at the moment, this video is about 6 minutes. Okay. So, yeah, once I get all this off, I will wash my hands because they're covered in oil. And then whenever I'm ready, I'll do something else. I'll probably do a nubby nail video with this hand. Just because I have the hardest time applying nail tips to my left hand. Okay, we got some traction here. Little pull up. And it's coming along. There we go. And there you have it. That's how I remove the nails when I use Jello Peel Base. Again, I think the key is cuticle oil, way more cuticle oil than remover, and a generous amount of remover. However, just couple that with cuticle oil. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, I forgot. I used the lint-free towel, all that oil stuff on my hands. But I haven't washed my hands yet, but I just wanted you to see how my nails looked after I removed all of that excess product and oil from my hands just with the lint-free towel here. So see it for yourself. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.